They say that necessity is the mother of invention, and that's kind of how we got our start. There was a need, and we made a product to fit that need. And I think that continues to be the overriding goal of Barracuda. My father started it back in 1975, and it was his passion. He was a dentist, but his passion was swimming, and his passion was developing products for that. I see Barracuda as kind of his legacy. He learned a lot about plastics manufacturing and tooling. So when he started swimming and had the revelation that a new product needed to be made, he used a lot of those techniques to design his swimming goggle. This is the Barracuda Standard. This is the original goggle that my father designed. It fit the face positively all the way around the eye socket. And the way that he did that was, instead of being just a cup, it actually had the contours and angles that matched the bone structure of the face. When he was working on making the positive pressure frame, he had a number of patients that were different ethnicities, male, female, and had different kinds of eye sockets. Because he had been their dentist for so long, they would actually allow him to take molds of their eye sockets to use to put together the perfect type of frame. So that's where the original Barracuda came from. This is the Phoenix. We've got a polycarbonate frame that's got a high base curve, so it's got peripheral vision that's beyond anything else on the market. This frame's called the Bliss. It's probably the most comfortable swim goggle ever made. The material is all medical grade rubber. It's very flexible, contours, and matches whatever your facial bone structure is. It fits a huge cross section of facial bone structure, so it fits just about everybody that puts it on. Swimming is different for everybody that does it. Some of them are competitive swimmers, and there's also people like my father that he would get into the pool and almost go into a meditative state. If you're swimming for fitness and you're just going back and forth and you get into that groove, you want all the elements to just be perfect.